The HA16G by Hirdi features a 3-section boom design, with an overall machine length of 642 m and a width of 175 m. A color display screen provides detailed machine information, allowing for quick fault diagnosis and easy calibration without the need for extra tools. All components use top international brands. The precise and efficient AC drive system, combined with four-wheel drive, ensures powerful performance and smooth control. The turntable can rotate 355 degrees, providing flexibility and high efficiency. The floating bridge design enhances off-road capability and high passability, with a 30% gradability. The fully electric proportional control allows the boom to perform compound movements, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. With reduced boom weight, the machine is both energy-saving and efficient. The platform has a rated load capacity of 230 kilograms, and the entire machine weighs 770 kilograms, offering industry-leading working range and load capacity. It is equipped with an integrated slewing reducer for stable rotation. The maximum working height is 15.7 m, and the maximum horizontal outreach is 724 m. This product is suitable for facility and factory maintenance, petrochemical construction, and other similar applications.